Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we are getting into week 3, comparative economic systems. So different systems of economies in various countries. We're going to be looking at 3 different systems this week. Now, before we get started into the content for this week, I do want to talk about schedules. And of course, your suggested schedules right here, as it is every week. However, you as a student need to make sure that you have a schedule that works for you. And I don't just mean this class, but I mean all of your classes, whether you take them all through our school or you take various classes through various schools. Anyways, so you need to make a schedule that works for you, and it needs to be successful from week to week. How do you know if it's successful? If by the end of the week, you can check off everything that you were supposed to get done and pretty much done. If you are having problems doing that, use the suggested schedules that your teachers give you. Now, this is a suggested schedule. You don't have to follow it, but if you use it to your advantage. If it works for you, use it. If it doesn't, use your own, but make sure it works. Your schedule should be adaptable, so as things come up, whether it's the weather, whether it's different workload in different classes, things like that. Set your schedule when you look through all your classes on Monday. Set your schedule then, and on Friday review it and see how you did. Now, your schedule, shouldn't, like I said, shouldn't just be this class, and it shouldn't be just the assignments in the class. Make sure you're checking grades, that you put that on your schedule. I would suggest Monday, Wednesday, Friday at least to check your grades and look for any missing assignments. Schedule in makeup work. If you have missing assignments or other things that you need to make up that are past due, make sure you get those on your schedule. School activities, again, whether in class, out of class, school activities, and personal activities. I know a lot of you have most of you, all of you have other things going on in your life, and make sure those get on the schedule too, or else they might conflict and your schedule won't work. And one last thing about schedules, it should be an actual thing. Don't just have your schedule up here. I know a lot of you, I don't know if you can see the whiteboard I have back here that I use a lot. There are lots of apps for your phone or the computer you can do a calendar on. Some people, and I do this a lot, where you just have a write it down on a piece of paper, a pad of paper. Okay, so make sure you have a schedule that works for you. Now, for this week, as we talk about different economic systems, we're going to be comparing a market economy to a command economy to a developing economy. We're going to be looking at 3 countries, North Korea, the United States, and Chad. Yes, Chad is not just a name, but it is also the name of a country in Africa. And we have a discussion board called The Earth is Full. We have an assignment called Comparative Economic Systems. And then you have your quiz. Now, as always, on Monday, I will have the quiz open for you to take once, even though it's the last thing listed. Please take that. Take good notes so you know what to focus on for the week. And then go back, get the discussion board started. And your schedule, again, either the schedule you make or use the suggested schedule here as it takes you through. And then at some point on Thursday or early Friday, I'll open the quiz up again, and everyone should take it. Everyone should get 100% on the quiz every week because you took it as a pretest on Monday. All right, don't forget to check your grades, and if you have questions, always start in the Start Here folder, all that good stuff. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see some of you on Wednesday, and with that, I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.